and uDuba ube yi-man of the match. Yes, uke wadlala kabi first half none yabo, but if ethola i-players ocombine nalo kwenziwe le creativity nanso yabona iChiefs uma ingabuild up entweni nje ingabuyiseli ongcobo ikhuthaze uSilver ukuthi be more creative izoba na something bamsubstitute phela kuseli icala nokusubstitute nayo uShabalala bake bangene nabanye
ovele
yabo basikhande isquad isikhona ngoba noFrost sebebuyile basikhande bazokwazi ukuthi babhekane nama team amakhulu like Pirates uma ngabe bangabuilda yabona uma bengayianalyze le game babuka ukuthi okay ama weakest players ethu obani then sikwazi ukuthi sifake laba abastrong abazokwazi ukubamba i-team enkulu ku first half ingashaya amagoli amaningi ingashawa iChiefs ngo 3-0 bayibuke bayianalyze ukuthi nanso ke iChiefs isiqala ukubuya ukuthi nayi khona into eyifunayo yabo
yes
yeah
so do you think with this performance iChiefs izoqeda number 1 on the log because currently they are number 3 with 45 points 23 games 45 points
yeah number 3 number 2 number 1 akasekho obheka ukuthi angaluza igame but makungakhona oba nama draws ayi3 of